Hello photographer! If you also had this problem and lost a base plate for your Velbon Sherpa stand, I will show you how to easily fix it without buying a new Velbon stand. This tutorial will fit all the Velbon PH-157q BK tripod heads with QB-157K Quick Release Plate. This head is for Velbon Sherpa 200, Sherpa 300, Delta 5 tripod, also Sherpa 800R, 600N, 1000, Sherpa 5370D, Sherpa 4370D, and ULTRA LUXi IV tripods. If you have a 3D printer, just print a new quick release plate. If you don't have a 3D printer, then email me. It can be found in the channel About tab. And for a reward, I will send you a new plate without the screw. This replacement base will be no worse than the original, as you can see in the load test. It holds my Lumix camera with this heavy metal macro lens. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. But in the meantime, I wish you a good luck and good photos.